Ashok Das is going to speak on the sustainable design, packaging design. He is ex-ITC and he is going to make the presentation with this information, sustainable packaging design. He is basically that the authority on the subject related to the printing, as he was heading with the ITC printing division, and in that here he is going to speak focus only sustainable packaging design. So I request and appeal Mr. Ashok Dasji, and the platform is means he has to give this presentation, please.
Yeah, good evening everybody and best wishes on World Packaging Day. I am talking about sustainable packaging design. Let me begin with a simple but powerful thought. Every package we design has a second life. The question is, have we designed it? Today, packaging is no longer just about protecting a product. It is about protecting the planet, preserving resources, and shaping responsible consumption. We are standing at a different moment where packaging sits at the intersection of sustainability, innovation, and consumer trust, which Professor Karna and Mr. Surti has already explained you. And the shift is clear from use and discard to the circular economy. But let's be honest, sustainable packaging is often misunderstood. It is not just about switching to paper or putting a green label on plastic. It is about design thinking. It begins at the very first sketch. I think PPT is not working again.
PPT?
Asking the right question. Can we reduce material? Can we reuse the system? Can we recycle efficiently? Or can we eliminate waste altogether? Because the truth is, the best packaging is not the most attractive one. It is the one that leaves the least impact behind. Today, we are seeing powerful shifts in our industry. Mono-material packaging replacing complex laminates.
Can you try with the PPT?
Yeah, I'm trying that. Today, we are seeing powerful shifts in our industry. Mono-material packaging replacing complex laminates, lightweighting, reduce both cost and carbon footprint. Smart packaging improving traceability, refill and reuse model redefining consumption itself. But despite all this innovation, one reality remains. Sustainability does not fall in design. It falls in execution ecosystem. Infrastructure, policy, consumer behavior all must evolve together. And this is where institutions like IIP, Indian Institute of Packaging, PCRI and SIES, and global leaders like the Ellen MacArthur Foundation play a critical role in shaping direction and driving awareness. So today on World Packaging Day, this is not just a celebration. It is a responsibility call from all of us to designers, design beyond aesthetics, to brands invest beyond compliance, to manufacturers innovate beyond cost, and to students think beyond convention. Because the future will not be defined by the packaging we create, it will be defined by the waste we eliminate. Let me close with this. If packaging created the problem, packaging innovation will solve it. Thank you.
So, our Ashok ji has covered about three areas of concern about the sustainable packaging design, with keeping the brand in the fact about the design when we say shaping the creativity. So once we say the shaping of the creativity, it has to be narrated in the three areas of concern in the packaging. First is the structural design. In that, what can be the sustainable? Over structure, what could be the optimum structure? And second design is the graphic design. And third design is the most optimization and very practical, is called as a specification design. A specification design means what are the functional properties, how to maintain the quality, how to give the proper shelf life, and how to compliance with the legal, the national and international. So with this three designs, Mr. Ashok Das ji has given you the technical view about this. Today is a celebration, so no technical exchange of views, but the input what we have gained. There are the three design. First design, it is that a structural design, graphic design related to the printing, and this is the specification design. With this World Packaging Day, we must focus three types of the sustainable design. In that specification design, no over specification. A lot of over specification being done in the name of compliance age. We the packaging professionals realizing every time that any packaging needs very less, but we are going for the more packaging, and I'm thoroughly confused. One side you are saying over packaging, other side you are saying sustainable packaging. How two things to be clubbed together? Most of the company in our industry, there are the fake sustainable consultant. When I say fake consultant in sustainability, you will be surprised to know that over packaging it is happening. We, the four person here, Ashok Das ji, Joji and Kishore ji, we are taking means one step about the where are the over packaging it is happening, and companies are satisfied, consumer are satisfied. We the packaging professionals are not satisfied. We are saying that we can reduce the cost, but we will not reduce the functional properties, and that is called the specification design. And in that specification design, we can control on the subject thoroughly. Thank you very much, Ashok Das ji. You have given the eye opening of the subject.